Hello, teacher and classmate. My name is Angelson Jefferson Macías Bermúdez. I am 22 years old. I live in Ibagué, Tolima. I am studying system engineering in TEUNAT. I like to play football and video games. I don't like holidays. The place which I am going to present es el Parque de la Música. This park is located in the downtown of the city. It is a touristic place. It has a luminous fountain which start working like the rhythm music. It has enough space for concert. It has 6 human statues made iron materials. Also has an artistic expression zone. It has a lookout towards the Cañón del Conveima and an exhibition place. I hope this place enchanting you, and I invite you to visit soon the Parque de la Música, here in Ibagué, Colombia. Thanks for watching.